The material to apply to our sun awning can be selected from the general catalogue, where we can choose among those with vertical and horizontal stripes or solid colour. We also have special features which allow us to customize and create our own. This, of course, by accessing the project or user catalogue. So once we're in the catalogue, here we'll be using the user catalogue, simply select the materials and colours category and add our new element. To define the texture type, we can upload it from File or select the option to create it from scratch. To define the texture, we need to insert the various layers defining their width and colour. With the layers now defined, we can move them, duplicate them, and also delete them. Now we can easily see a preview of our newly defined texture. In fact, here we can see the base colour and the material texture. Let's now save it and go back to the 3D view. If we select the sun awning object, we can now select our fabric from the catalogue.